the sun dips low at the edge. Humpbacks waltz through emerald ledge. South Pacific's whisper winter's last sigh. Off Mallacoota's coast, the gentle giants lie. Warm current hums a lullaby so still. Beneath Gaybo island, hearts gently spill. A dance in blue, flukes touch the sky. In the liquid light, their echoes cry. Humpback hymns in the sapphire sea, ancient songs so wild and free. In the southern glow where waters play, winter's breath fades and whales sway. Barnacles mark tales of distant shores. Each scar whispers as the cold implores. Sunbeams break the waves, hearts unfurl. In deep blue silence, their love's a swirl. The chorus of the deep in ocean's tale breaches and splashes in a moonlit trail. Beneath Gaybo's cliffs, horizons blend. In that warm embrace, the seasons mend. Humpback hymns